tools and techniques of lean manufacturing, or what makes sense to use. Again, I think a lot of lean is about picking the bits and pieces that actually make sense to you as a business. So again, you can try and pick up on some of those. First of all, and I know there are people on this call, I can tell from the businesses they're in, that are going to know lots about lean manufacturing, but thought it was just worth recapping really on what it means, because as I say, it's a term that's used an awful lot. So really simplistically, whatever I do in any sort of business, whether it's manufacturing or otherwise, whatever process I perform is either going to add value or create waste to either the production of a good or a service. And what lean really does is to try and focus on adding value by reducing that waste. So again, that's that really is the key to lean. It's about reducing waste, which automatically then will add value.